There are 4 things you must avoid before bedtime because they drain away the energy of money, distance wealth, and attract poverty into your life. I would bet that all of you watching this video are doing at least one of these 4 things, negatively influencing your bedtime routine and affecting your energy and vibration with money. It's attracting negative things to your finances every day, and you could avoid it because these are 4 simple things. Unfortunately, many times we are unaware of what we are doing wrong, and that's why bad things keep happening to us. So, I'm here to guide you and give you simple steps to adjust how you feel. This can help you create a new and positive tone in your life. Don't just see these words as ideas, try them out for yourself. The 4 things you must avoid before bedtime are: 1. Going to sleep right after a disagreement or argument without resolving it. If that happens when you argue with someone or have a tough day, there might be times when you don't get a chance to solve the problem with that person. You end up going to bed with the argument still on your mind, and it can disturb your sleep. Many of us have experienced this, going to sleep with the leftovers of an argument lingering in our thoughts. Imagine going to sleep after a negative argument. You spent a long time sleeping with that bad energy, and the result is waking up the next day feeling uneasy. It's clear that our thoughts before sleep have a big impact on how we feel overall. On the other hand, there's a strong force called the energy of abundance. You've probably felt it when everything is going well, life feels good, and you're happy. This positive force helps you succeed and makes your life feel abundant and flourishing. In Buddhism, there is a strong emphasis on mindfulness and avoiding negative thoughts. Going to sleep with unresolved conflicts or negative emotions, as described in the passage, goes against the Buddhist principle of cultivating peace and harmony in one's mind. Buddhist teachings often highlight the importance of resolving conflicts and letting go of negative emotions to achieve inner peace and tranquility. 2. Allowing work worries to bother you at night. Negative vibes from a job you dislike can affect everything connected to it. So, before you go to sleep, clear the bad energy from work and see it as a special place. If you're unhappy with your job, make a plan to change it. Remember, big changes happen when you decide to change. If you don't have a job right now and are struggling to find one, it might be because bad vibes from your past jobs are still hanging around. The key is to leave your past work in a way that you'd like to find it again. That's how you attract good opportunities. This idea matches with what Buddhists believe about not holding on to things too tightly. Buddhism says that holding on to stuff and wanting things too much makes us unhappy. Instead, we should learn to let go of these desires and stay calm and balanced. Also, it's crucial to go to bed without stressing about work. Don't think too much about not having enough or owing money before bedtime because, as Buddhism teaches, attachment to material possessions leads to suffering. Instead, focus on cultivating contentment and gratitude for what you have, recognizing that true happiness arises from inner peace rather than external wealth. In aligning with Buddhist principles, understand that clinging to desires for more can perpetuate the cycle of dissatisfaction, while finding joy in simplicity and detachment brings greater fulfillment regardless of one's financial circumstances. 3. Stressing about money and shortages before bedtime. Try to go to sleep with a calm mind, like the ancient philosophers Plato and Socrates suggest. The moments before sleep are like a blank canvas where you can imagine a future without money troubles. Imagine yourself counting money, feeling the bills in your hands, and imagining the smell of success. Make this a nightly habit and watch your life transform from lacking to flourishing. Remember, successful and rich people enjoy peace, while stress, worry, and chaos often stick around for those dealing with poverty. Choose the path of abundance by thinking positively and calming your mind before sleep to bring what you want into your life. Buddhism encourages cultivating positive mindsets and thoughts, which is echoed in the passage's emphasis on imagining a future without money troubles and envisioning success. In Buddhism, practicing loving kindness, compassion, and gratitude helps to purify the mind and attract positive outcomes. 4. Watching TV or the news before bedtime. Have you ever had trouble sleeping after watching a TV show where something happened? Let me know in the comments. Watching TV or the news before bed, especially shows featuring tragedies or horror movies, can affect your sleep and mood negatively. Recognize that the purpose of news is often to capture viewers for advertising revenue, leading to a focus on sensational or negative content rather than uplifting stories. Consider avoiding exposure to such content before bedtime, including horror movies, which can disturb your peace of mind and contribute to nightmares. If you wake up thinking about something other than your dreams, it might mean things aren't going well. Ask yourself, what did you wake up thinking about today? If it's not your dream, adjust your focus, because attracting good things is about paying attention to them. In the same way, Buddhism suggests reducing things that take our attention away to keep our minds clear and focus on growing spiritually. Overall, the teachings presented in the passage resonate with Buddhist principles of mindfulness, letting go of attachments, cultivating positive mental states, and avoiding distractions to attain inner peace and happiness. It's important to maintain a positive mindset before bedtime to attract good things into your life. This involves resolving conflicts, clearing negative energy, envisioning success, and avoiding media that can disrupt your peace of mind. Making these adjustments can lead to better sleep and a more fulfilling life. I hope this makes you think. If you want more guidance, check out the ebooks in the description below. I trust this video has given you ideas and help. Until next time, subscribe. Listen to your inner voice, stay positive, and create a life that matches your dreams. Remember, big changes don't need a set schedule. Start today.